When the boys away, the girls will play. Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. All right, Jackson is gone. That means the kitchen belongs to Alana and myself. We out here. We about to do some things. We about to do all the things actually. And so we just thought we would bring you guys along. We're going to make a recipe. We're going to try to do a higher protein, lower carb, 4 cheese, honey, what is it, spicy? Honey pepper, chicken, Applebee's dupe something or other. We're going to give it a try. All right, let me get you guys set up on a tripod and I'm going to get some stuff started on this stove. Oh, before I do, let me show you the grocery haul. Super basic and random on groceries today. I went to Food Lion. I picked up eggs. I thought these would be much cheaper than at Walmart. Lies. This was $14 for 30 eggs. I have to have eggs, and I need chickens, and my kids won't let me get chickens. I picked up this Twix Zero Sugar Coffee Mate. I like that. I picked up this cornflakes because I thought I was going to be making a recipe tonight, but I won't need this for tonight. I'll use it on another recipe. And then I picked up some potatoes. All right, that was that. This also came from Food Lion. Coffee. Had to get coffee. Then at Walmart, I got 2 things of ground chicken, which of course I'm going to use those cornflakes to make some chicken patties. I got some of this Better Goods keto-friendly bread. I'm going to try that. Picked up some of this Barilla protein pasta. I needed some more magnesium. Picked up 2 things of this sugar-free honey, sugar-free syrup, and we are all out of chili powder. Oh, yeah, that's all I got. Oh, I got the cutest things. Well, I'll show you those in a minute. I don't want to get my hands on them because they're my hands been messing around with food stuff. So I'll show you those 2 things in a second. But I'm going to get you guys set up on a tripod and then I'm going to start cooking. Okay, I just used the Real Good chicken nuggets. And we put those in the air fryer. This is the Media air fryer. It has a top and a bottom. We just put that in the air fryer for, I think, 13 minutes on 400 degrees. I like my chicken a little crispy, but, you know, do what you want to do. I now have my wok-ish type thing on to get ready for the sauce. And I've got water boiling for the pasta. 2 ounces each for sister and myself of the protein pasta. So, I'm going to get all the ingredients ready for the sauce. Alright, y'all. So, I have the honey sauce done. Well, it's all in the pot. I didn't have pineapple juice, so I subbed in orange juice. It's all citrus. We had a pineapple. We had a pineapple. What happened to the juice? We had 2 pineapples. Anywho, I got my pasta in. This is the protein pasta Barilla. 2 ounces is enough for me. 2 ounces is a serving size, so I'm going to have a serving size, and sister's going to have a serving size. There's 4 ounces of that was what was left in here. We've been measuring out all of our stuff. We're going to add in. It's a 4 cheese, so I'm going to do the salsa con queso. I'm going to do Laughing Cow. I've got some Parmesan, and I'm going to add in a little bit of Greek yogurt. So maybe it's just going to be 3 cheese, because sorry. I'm going to try to see if I got some New York Sharp, but I'm trying to keep it lower carbs. I'm trying to keep it lower calorie.
3 cheese, lovely.
And so the, this is only 25 calories per wedge, and then this is 40 calories. You get 2 tablespoons. So I'll do 4 tablespoons, 2 for sister, 2 for mom, and then 1 of these a piece, and then I'll just shave some of this Parmesan on top. Now I know they use different cheeses, but I'm making it what I have tonight because I'm just trying to keep it a little lower and healthy for us. My chicken is done. So the chicken went into the air fryer and it came out nice and crispy. Oh yeah, there's a crunch to it.
Oh, my mom.
So I'll go with that. Okay. Let me show y'all this. I'm just letting my sauce come to a good boil. So I have a coat, excuse me y'all, I have a coat that I use for colder months, and then I had a smaller coat, less thick is what I want to say. And what ended up happening is I lost weight. So I kept thinking, hey, I need to get another coat, or maybe I had one in the garage. I don't have one in the garage that will work because everything is still just too big. So I was in Walmart with sister and happened to see this coat. It's a lightweight jacket that it zips and buttons. It's very lightweight. There's no feathers, there's no down, none of that. Because I don't want any of that because it's getting ready to be spring. It's still cool here at times. And I just wanted something very, very lightweight. So I saw this on the rack for marked down from $29 to $16. It has a hood on it. But when I got to the register, it rang up $9. And there was a pretty green one that I wanted. And they only had the green in a size small. And so I was like, let me try on the small, because I had picked up the medium. I had already checked out with the black one. And I was like, well, let me try the medium on. I mean, try the small on because I really wanted that green one. I was like, I'm going to get that. And the small fit. So I actually ended up taking the black one back in the medium and getting the small. Now, the one thing that I do have are boobs. I'm always going to be a booby girl. It is what it is. I mean, the girls are just where they at. But this is a much lighter coat, and I can just wear it. And it has a hood. What?
So where's the green coat?
The green one is in the other bag.
Yeah. I thought you said you took it back.
No, I took the larger black one back.
So what's that one?
That's a small. I had gotten a medium.
Oh.
Because they only had this green one in a small. And I took a chance to try it on. And it fit just fine.
Hashtag goals.
Hashtag goals. Right? So. And then even though, you know, on the warmer days, kind of partially warm, I don't have to button it at all. Right? I just really needed something for my arms. So I'm happy with this. $9. Go to Walmart. All right, y'all. Here is the finished product. It looks good. I think it looks okay. Looks very nice. A couple things we forgot to tell y'all that I got was some yogurt. So we're probably going to end that up with the yogurt. Let me show you this yogurt that I really, really like from Walmart. Okay, so this Dan & Light and Fit is 120 calories, 2 grams of fat. It has 10 grams of protein. It's a remix, so it has a little bit of stuff on the side. This is the strawberry cheesecake and the brownie sundae. For somebody like me that has texture issues, I really like this Dan & Light and Fit. I like 000 Oikos, but I like this better. And then there's the Too Good remixes. Don't like those at all. But I really do like these. And we found these at Walmart. This is brownie sundae and then strawberry cheesecake. So this will be our little dessert. Alrighty, y'all. So there that is. We ended up with a little bit of sauce left. And we have some of those apple meatballs that we're going to cook tomorrow. And we can just use that sauce with the meatballs. And then sister's going to take a little bit of our homemade pesto and put it on our keto-friendly bread. That's the keto-friendly, the Better Goods that I got from Walmart. Because, again, we're around here counting all the calories and doing all the things. At least I'm counting my calories. I'm not counting nobody else's calories. Of course, I have a couple ladies that meet with me in a ladies group. I did a random drawing today. Well, I did two. I did one yesterday and one today. And so there's going to be, one lady got a scale. She's in my weight loss group. And one lady got a stepper, a mini stepper, because I'm using the mini stepper. So anywho, there it is, y'all. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Do all the things. Share, comment, all the things. And we will see you guys next time. Bye now.